Summer's here, the roads are packed, and accidents can happen in an instant. If you've been injured in a car accident, don't get stuck fighting the insurance companies alone. Fight back with one call to Azari Law. Call 888-828-HURT. That's 888-828-HURT. At Azari Law, we've proudly fought for the DMV community for over 15 years. I'm attorney Lauren Kalekis, born and raised right here in the DMV, and my team and I are ready to fight for you. Injured? Don't wait. Don't settle for less than you deserve. With offices in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia, Azari Law is standing by to help accident victims get the justice and compensation they deserve. This summer, protect yourself and your family by knowing who to call when life takes an unexpected turn. Call 888-828-HURT, 888-828-HURT, and let Azari Law fight for you. Follow us on social media at azari.law. That's AZARI.law.
Finding the right furniture for my home can be hard, especially when I'm looking for trendy, high-quality pieces that won't break the bank. Luckily, at Bob's Discount Furniture, I can shop the latest styles and customer favorites with tons of 5-star reviews, like Bob's Real Marble Elm Dining Set, which has over 600 5-star reviews. The Copper Radiance Mattress, which over 400 Bob's customers say will give you 5-star sleep. The Ultra Comfy Phantom Reclining Sofa, which boasts over 1,000 5-star reviews. And the customizable modular Bob's Sectional, which not only costs just $250 per piece, but has over 1,700 5-star reviews. So when you're ready to score 5-star style for every room in your home at everyday low prices, listen to the smartest shoppers around and stop in or shop online at Bob's Discount Furniture, where America shops for furniture.
And the crowd goes crazy. I almost hit the clown horn. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products, a podcast. We're looking at the number 2 seller today, which is called WP Sync. And it's from Kevin Fahey. And basically it says, kill your Zapier bill. Well, what does all that mean? I don't know. I've used Zapier before, but I can't remember what it does. And so this is all about automation. And this is I like to start at the finish. It is a $47 piece of software. And if you're into affiliate marketing, it could be indispensable and save you a ton of money. That's why they say kill your Zapier bill. Instead of paying X dollars every month, it's a one-time fee that connects your WordPress site to 24 different apps and services. And there's 3 different levels of this, so I won't go into much about the particular what's in each one. But I will tell you, you could be paying monthly for Zapier, Make, and Pabbly. Automation by the month moves your data between your own tools. And so this WP Sync lives inside your WordPress, connects 51 apps, builds unlimited automations. And let's see if I can, there's a whole scroll of different ones. Maybe I'll run through that later. But here's the part that'll make sense to you. They go sell and get paid. And the moment a payment clears, this is an affiliate sale, the buyer becomes a tagged subscriber on the list you choose. No more exporting orders and importing them by hand. Every customer lands where your follow-up lives. And it connects up with, you can do it with the buyer's name, email, and the product they bought, going into any list. You can flow straight through the email platform. You can do all sorts of different things with this. I'm at the, so I'll quickly mention, you're at the podcast link. You'll see the link for WP Sync. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a big product box that says stop paying for Zapier. You click that link and you're here and you can grab this for $47. And I'm going to go into the part where they talk about the 3 different levels. So here you go. The core offer, $47 one-time fee. Use it on 3 different sites. Launch special, normally just 1. 32 autoresponders built in. Unlimited bridges, multiple destinations. Instant auto sync every 5 minutes. That's the syncing up of buyers into your lists and things like that. Schedule and delay, clone any bridge, 100 plus lists with type to filter search, squeeze page opt-ins with redirect, full activity log and diagnostics, private. The data never touches their servers, and new connections are added free forever. And so let's see if I can get this list. It's at the top, so I'm going to scroll up and go. It just goes on and on and on. So here's autoresponders, and they say you can bridge any one to any other in both directions. So picture some of these things. I'll use Aweber. There's a pretty common one, but there's lots of other ones. Email Chef, never heard of that. Flowdesk, Get Response, quite familiar with. Klaviyo. So there's a bunch of different ones there. And those are just autoresponders. Then pro connectors, things like Google Sheets, Trello, Notion, Monday.com. I've heard of that. I don't know what that is. GoToWebinar, Webhook, Zoom Connect. So you can have all these things go, again, to put them into the list when they sign up for a Zoom, for instance. App integrations, things like Buy Me a Coffee, ClickBank, Customerly. I like the sound of that. Digistore24, those are affiliate platforms. Gumroad, same thing. So you're selling things and then you're grabbing Instagram lead ads, JVZoo, Jotform, Ko-fi. So there's a bunch of different ones, and there's way more than that. I'm just going to Patreon. So there's ones where you PayPal, you can collect money, pay Kickstart, money comes in, and now you would normally have to go in and go, oh, Jimmy bought it, and here's his email, and I'll put it on this list. It just automatically happens. Connect forms have all the information for them, the whole 9 yards. And I'm going to skip over and let you roll through that. Click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. It's a blog post for WP Sync. And again, there's a great list there that just goes ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Get Response. I'm not going to bore you by running through the whole thing, MailChimp, and so on. So all these things are put together. You can sell things, put them on lists, have everything put together, contact them, membership, courses, bookings, webinars. You get the idea. It just continues on. Lead capture, Facebook lead ads, get pinged the second a new buyer booking or lead arrives. It's a whole connection like that, up and running in three steps, because it's you connect up the WordPress API, paste in the API key for each tool, and hit test connection at about 30 seconds per account. That's a one-time thing. Then you build your automation, and then the contacts are synced automatically every 5 minutes. And away you go. It's called WP Sync. The link is in the podcast description. Click the link. Go check it out. You're going to love it. If you're at all involved in affiliate marketing, this is your tool to put everything together into one big source. You're going to love it. Check it out. $47. WP Sync. The link's in the podcast description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.